Hey guys, welcome to my screen where I'm going to be doing I thought it'd be really fun to do let me change the background here, it's distracting, one sec. There we go. Yeah, so I thought it'd be really fun. I've been having a lot of fun with Instagram these days, and I wanted to do a little tutorial on how to add really fun animated GIFs to your Instagram. I'll show you guys my Instagram, some that I've made already, and they're so much fun and they add so much personality to your brand. And if you are on Facebook or Instagram, you'll notice that Insta is, animated GIFs are just like a super fun, great way to engage your audience. So I'll show you one that I made a little while ago. I'm going to make a new one today. This is one I made about Canva, when Canva freezes without saving. So see, I have a little animated GIF, and it moves, which is great. And then what's another one? I mean, this was one of my faves. When you check for spelling after you send the email, this is a little pic of, this is Jennifer Lawrence, looking all funny. So you can see, you can add, make these GIFs, and then you can share them to your Instagram or Facebook. The thing about Instagram is you actually have to make them into a movie. They have to be like an MP4 file for them to work. So this is actually MP4 movie, and you can see they got pretty good engagements here. Lots of people are like, "Oh, that's so me." It's a really great way to engage with your audience and like share. I love to just share little fun things about that are like little commonalities between online entrepreneurs. So I just want to make sure that everything is working. That's good. Great. Okay. Well, I won't be able to check any comments. Okay. So, okay. So I want to show you guys how I would make a cool animated GIF. So I have this app, and I actually bought it. It's called Gifshare, and I bought the free. I bought the paid version. I think it was only a couple dollars. I think it was like maybe $3 to $5. And I got rid of the watermark, which is great because it just was annoying. I thought $5 pretty good. Pretty good deal. Anyway, so I go into Gifshare, and you can get it in the App Store. I'm just going to show you guys again what that looks like. See, it's this one up here at the top right, Gifshare. And you can just find it. I'm just going to find it in the App Store here. Gifshare. This one here. So this is the one. Yeah, okay. So I'm going in here, and I really like it because it grabs animated GIFs from Giphy, which is like the top GIF place of all time. And so what you can do is actually go to the search button. Oh, you probably can't see the bottom of my screen here. One sec. See if I can make this a bit smaller. A little. See if I can scale this. There we go. There we go. Great. So you can see there's a search button on the top at the bottom here. And I'm just going to search, and I'm going to try to find a fun GIF. I personally like to use like Disney GIFs and just whatever I can find. So I usually go in the search and just search for whatever. Like, so maybe I want to do one about branding. So I'm looking for like transform. I'm going to do a funny one about branding here. So I'm going to look up, that's not how you spell it. Transform. And you can see there's all kinds of animated GIFs in here. There's Transformers. That would be funny. There are all kinds of fun stuff in here. There's like some really great illustrations. I like this one. Oh, I really like that. That's cool. Love it. And there's some Breaking Bad in here. Oh, cool. It's transformation of Walter White. Very cool. Anyway, so you can go in. You can scroll for days. Sometimes I just search all kinds of things. Like I'll search like Disney, cute Disney. Like maybe if there's a color I want, because I want to match my Instagram color scheme. But anyway, I found this one here, which is from Moana, and I'm gonna say this is, if you guys know, this is referencing I forget his name, but he's trying to transform, and he like does a half. He transforms half into a shark, half into himself. So I'm gonna use this one, and then you can see on the bottom here, there's some options for filters, for backgrounds, and for text, and for speed. And I usually just click on the text button, and I'm gonna say something like, when you, let's just say half as your brand. Okay, so I'm gonna say, or what's a funnier way to say that? Okay, I'll have to think of something clever in advance. What I'm trying to say here is like, this is like an example of when you don't do it 100%. Okay, so anyway, so you can see here I got stuck, so I can't write brand. I ran out of space. So what you can do is you can just write some of the words here, and you can see I can change the color, so I'm going to do black, and I'm going to press the next button. This is where the next button is. Before I was hitting the check, and that's actually going to like take you to like the download, which you don't want to do. So you don't want to click the check. You want to hit the next button, and this is where I can choose my font. So I'm just going to put a font that matches my brand. So I'm just going to use this one, and then I can press done, and I can hit the text again, and I'm going to say have as your branding. Make it black. So I'm just clicking up here to do it black, and I'm going to go to next, and I'm going to go to light. There we go, and I can actually move these around a bit, so I can actually move these later. So next, done. So that's my fun little GIF, and when I'm done, I can go to the check mark at the top here, and I'm going to hit that, and then I'm going to go, it saved it, and I can go click the camera roll or Instagram. I'll hit Instagram, and then I can click here where it says feed. Okay, feed, and now it's going to be a really cool animated GIF video in my Instagram feed, and I just have to go to next. And oh, another cool thing is I can choose a cover. So if you go to cover over here, you can actually choose which one you want to do. So I'm going to choose a little shark, I think, a shark face. And then I'm just going to write my little post, and I can share it on Instagram. Ta-da! All done. So that's like, I'm going to press OK and share it. Maybe I'll write a little caption, obviously. I'll just say something like, this is so, maybe I like just to do the monkey eyes. And then you press share, and and you're ready to go. You have this awesome, fun, animated GIF to use in your Instagram. Cool. So that is that. And I'm just going to delete this because I want to fix it up. And delete. Okay. Cool. So hopefully that was fun for you guys. And yeah, I don't know if I can go back to my face. I think with Facebook Live, I'm just using regular Facebook Live, and I don't think you can show your face. I don't think you can switch back. All right, cool. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys later.